Hi class! So I have been playing around with a couple of different apps that are new to me, and my hope is that by sharing them with you, you'll be able to visually see how to do certain tasks for our class. So the first thing that I want to do is show you how to figure out if you need to complete your matriculation or if you're already done. So what I've done is I have created a student profile for myself. I went ahead and applied to the college, to Saddleback College. I now have a student account. So I'm going to log into Saddleback College into my site account by going to saddleback.edu and then clicking on my site. I'm going to go ahead and type in my username and my password. If you forgot what your username or password is, you can go ahead and find out what those are down here. Okay, so now I'm in my site portal, and the first thing that I want to do is click on this little icon right here for my information. I'm going to scroll down to matriculation, and then I'm going to go down to almost the bottom to check my matriculation status. Okay, so because of the fact that I already have a degree, I am not required to matriculate, but you all will be required to matriculate, okay? So in here, you'll see on your end, matriculation status application is required. Mine says not required again because I already have a degree. And the matriculation status should say completed, okay? If it does not say completed right here, you'll need to go up here to complete your matriculation. So you'll click on, again, this icon, my information, matriculation. There's 3 steps to matriculation. There's the online orientation, guided self-placement, or online advisement. You can figure out if these things have been completed or not by looking over here to where it says status components. Orientations should say complete. English and math assessment should say complete. This is the guided self-placement. And advisement should say complete. If you're not done with any of those, again, you'll need to come up here to matriculation and complete whichever step you have not already completed. One thing that I want to mention is that some of you are having a tough time with this online advisement portion. This is something that is crucial to completing your first semester education plan. If you have not already emailed me at klyons@saddleback.edu and told me what your intended major is and if you intend on transferring or not, you're going to need to do that so that I can complete this step for you. Alrighty, that's it, you guys. I hope that this was helpful, and I hope you're stay safe and healthy and happy, and I sincerely look forward to seeing you in the future. Take care.